Hello students, let us learn how to add three fractions together. This is same like adding two fractions, but instead of two here we have three fractions. For adding three fractions, the method will be the same. We will be taking the LCM of all the denominators. So let us first find the LCM of the denominators. 3, 4 and 5. 3 and 5 are prime numbers, so these are only be divisible by 3 and 5. So let's divide 4 by 2. 3 will be as is, 2 times 2 is 4 and 5 will be as is. 2 will be divisible by 2, so 2 times 1 is 2. 3 and 5 will be as is. Next we'll take 3 to divide 3 and next number will be 5 to divide 5. And next we'll take 5 to divide 5. Now all the numbers are divided. So LCM will be the product of all the numbers on the left hand side. That's going to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which equals 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 5 is 60. So the LCM of the three denominators is 60. Now we'll make all the denominators equal to 60. To make 3 equal to 60, we are going to multiply it by 20. As we are multiplying the denominator by 20, we have to multiply the numerator too by 20. For the next fraction, to make 5 equal to 60, we have to multiply it by 12. And as we are multiplying the denominator by 12, we have to multiply the numerator too by 12. And the last fraction, 4, we have to multiply it by 15 because 4 times 15 is 60. So numerator will also be multiplied by 15. Let's solve it further. 2 times 20 is 40. 40 upon 60 plus 12 upon 60 plus 45 upon 60. All the denominators are same. That means these fractions are like fractions. We can directly add the numerators of the fractions to find the answer. So 40 plus 12 plus 45 divided by 60 is the final answer. 40 plus 12 is 52. 52 plus 45 is 97. So the final answer is 97 upon 60. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer. And this is how we add three fractions together. The method for adding three fractions is the same as adding two fractions. Instead of two fractions, we have three fractions in this case. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.